For the fifth graders, get the division of fractions problem solved. 5, 6 divided by 1/2. Get that done now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how great you did. Remember, you must find the reciprocal of the divisor. 1/2 is the divisor. So you take your dividend, 5, 6, change the division to multiplication, and 1/2 becomes 2/1. You just flip it. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. Is that an improper fraction? Yes, it is. So 10 divided by 6. 6 is going to 10 one time. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 is my whole number. 4 is my numerator. 6 is my denominator. Is that in simplest form? Nope. The greatest common factor is 2. 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 2/3 is your final answer. Easy. Now, let's see if you remember how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how great you did. The first thing you need to do is put a 1 under the whole number. The whole number is the dividend, so it's going to stay the same. Division becomes multiplication. My divisor, you must change to the reciprocal, so you just flip it, 4/3, and then you multiply straight across. 7 times 4 is 28. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I have to divide because that is an improper fraction. 3 are going to 28 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. My answer becomes 9 and 1/3. And of course that is in simplest form because 1 is the numerator. All right, let's see if you remember what to do when the whole number is your divisor. Remember, there's 2 things you'll have to do. Solve that problem now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how great you did. Okay, first things first. 1/3 is my dividend. It's going to stay the same. My division becomes multiplication. Now, I have to put a 1 under the whole number still, but then the second thing I have to do is find this reciprocal. So 10/1 becomes 1/10. Then I just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 10 is 30. And then there you go. 1/30 is the answer. Because that's not an improper fraction, and of course it's in simplest form. All right, let's see if you remember what to do if a mixed number is your dividend. Solve that problem now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how wonderful you did. All right. The first thing I have to do is I've got to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. My denominator stays the same, 5/3. Now that's my dividend, so that's going to stay exactly like that. Division becomes multiplication. I must find the reciprocal of my divisor, so I just flip it to 4/2. And then I just multiply straight across. 5 times that an improper fraction? Yes, it is. 6 will go into 20 3 times. 20 minus 18 is 2. My whole number is 3. My numerator is 2. My denominator is 6. Is that in simplest form? No, it is not. The greatest common factor is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 1/3 is your beautiful answer. Look at all that beautiful work. All right, one more problem. 6/7 divided by 2 and 1/11. Solve that problem now. This time your mixed number is your divisor. Do that now. Pause video. All right, let's see how awesome you did. 6/7 is my dividend. It will stay the same. My division becomes multiplication. All right, I got to change this into an improper fraction. 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. And then my denominator stays the same. I am not finished because now I must change 23rd 11ths into its reciprocal. 11 23rds is what it becomes. And now I just multiply straight across. 6 times 11 is 66. 7 times 23 is 161. Is that an improper fraction? No. Is that in simplest form? Yes. 66 over 161 is the final answer. And the truth shall set you free. Now, you get busy with your assignment in Google Classroom. Let's go for a run.